Woohoo! Siyempre, tinodo na natin to! Yes! Tinodo na natin to. Muling nagbabalik sa musical podcast. 2 minutong nakalipas na alas 7 ng gabi. Siyempre, whether it's Thursday Club Banger Showdown, you know how we get up into the vibe. Siyempre, we need to get into the vibe. Sabi to sa kanta, try to feel the beat, get into the vibe, listen to desire. O, di ba? Yan talaga sinasabi ko sa iyo. This was the first show I ever come up here during the concert. O, di ba? First show ko lang eh. Right? Sabi daw, paagahan na natin to eh, bago madelay. Bukas, Friday na. Pahinga mo na sa podcast. Siyempre, but don't worry, we have a podcast through music with every story explained here. O, diba? Monday to Thursday ang schedule ng musical podcast. O, diba? Siyempre, bukas, may ganap sa mobile circuit. Mamayang alas 10 na gabi. Siyempre, kasama niya si DJ Sting at si DJ Drenox. Yan yung mga mag-guest DJs here. Mag-a-announce sila kung sino talaga ang mga guest DJs gaganapin bukas sa mobile circuit. Pero hindi mo na e-ere ang musical podcast tuwing Biyernes. May bagong podcast na ma-upload tuwing Biyernes. So, that's what I called a story behind the music. So, anyways, bukas pa mag-i-start ang a story behind the music podcast. But anyways, I had to sing a few more songs before Decades of Sounds will start soon. Turn it up and let's vibe together.